There's a road train, guys. Woo! They are long.
Hi, we're the Travelling Teens, and we love our life of adventure.
From the mountains to the sea. We're at Julia Creek. The sun's rising in the distance. We're on our way to Adele's grave today. But I just thought I'd show you at the Julia Creek Caravan Park, there's these beautiful bathhouses. There's 4 water tank ones and a couple of others, and they all face the sunset. So if you're ever passing through Julia Creek, look these guys up. Make sure you book ahead, because they're pretty much booked out from day to day, so book ahead. But these are beautiful, and you also get to see the sunrise in the morning. So there's a sign up here. We're heading to Bmw Gs, the junction, the 4 ways, and we're on the Wills, Bmw Gs 235. Okie dokie. It's a bit of fun on this road. Looks a bit barren, but what a beautiful day. Up to the Bmw Gs Roadhouse. We've got some fuel. Anyway, we're just about to head to Gregory Downs, and then to Lawn Hill. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we're going through a locust. Oh shit! Locust plague. They're just flying all across the road. Just went through a heap of them. They're belting us, so these birds will be having a great time. All right, we've gone through them.
Setting up for our little camp on the rocky riverbed.
Yeah, this is, what's this called? Oh, Gregory Downs. Yep, on the river. There's the river just there as we pan through. This is our spot. There's a river just through there. We're going to be going swimming in. This is one of our good mates, Wayne Bale. Grew up with Spratty. Well, I've done a lot of work with him from about 17 onwards. He's up here with a heap of mates, so I invited us to come and camp next to him. Beautiful. Get in there.
Woo! Love it.
Adele's Grove from Lawn Hill. Lawn Hill's 25k away. So turn off, we've left Gregory Downs this morning about, I don't know, 3/4 hour ago. Yeah, 10:30. And Joe's just going to lead the way for a little bit. And yeah, this is a good dirt road, pretty easy. Oh yeah, There's the swimming hole. That looks beautiful. Lagoon out there in the sun. When you come up, darling, come up and have a look in here. When I turn around, you'll see it.
Well, we've arrived at Lawn Hill camping ground, and we are in the trailer area because we made some friends and said, come and camp with us. So, woo, Scott. Now we're off to the waterfall. So I'm not sure of the pronunciation, but we're up here at Bmw Falls. We're at the lookout. We've had a great swim down the bottom there. What a spectacular country we live in.
How beautiful is this? Stunning is all I can say. We have travelled about, I think it's about 3.2 kilometres from our tent to the upper gorge area of Lawn Hill. Feast again?
Not me, you led me astray.
I don't lead her astray.
Every time.
I don't think so. What else is in there, darling?
Capsicum, zucchini. It's just packet pasta. And we're going to pop a little bit of chicken in there tonight.
Bit of cat food.
No, it's chicken.
Yes.
Wasn't in the cat food section at all.
And loving it. You're in the back?
I'm in the back, Jack.
Oh, no, I'll go in back. You go. Yep. Okay, we're going through our first gate opening and closing at Lawn Hill Station. We're on our alternate route up the Savannah Way out to Bmw Gs. So Joe's just, we're going to head up through here. This is the alternate route instead of going back through Gregory. That is beautiful. This is the alternate route to Bmw Gs. Woo! Look at him. Mad emus. Yeah, look at him go. Doo -doo -doo -doo! Hell's Gate Roadhouse on the Savannah Way. Maybe even stay here tonight. That's the way to do it. Way to go, darling.
If you're having fun travelling around Australia with us, hit like and subscribe and catch us on our next episode where we go from Hell's Gate via the Savannah Way, Edith Falls, Kakadu and stop in Darwin.